Hi guys, hope you're well. So me and Tesco are back with another great recipe, trying to help you guys get more veggies into your life in the most delicious way. This one is undeniable. This is my quick 15-minute tuna pasta. It's really, really easy. So look, the recipes are celebrating loads of the good stuff, right? Beautiful cherry tomatoes, look at that. We've got the red peppers, we've got chili, we've got garlic, we're gonna use cucumber and basil. It's gonna be so fresh and so good. So first up, let's get the pasta in. So in a pan of boiling water, we will season it up. We'll go in with 300 grams of pasta. What I love about them, of course, is their little cups, and you can fill them up with beautiful things. So this sauce is just gonna sit in there beautifully. So the pasta is cooking away. That'll take about 10, 12 minutes, and this sauce will be even quicker. So we've got here some nice cherry tomatoes. Look at these, on the vine, they're always really tasty. So I want 400 grams of tomatoes. So I'll just save these back, and then I'll just click these off the vine. What else goes into it? Cucumber. So I'm just gonna take half a cucumber, have a little peel. So cucumber goes in. Then I'm gonna use half a clove of garlic. Then basil, a nice little bunch of basil. I wanna do two things. I wanna pick, first of all, the little pretty leaves for garnish for later, and then the big leaves can go down here. So big leaves, small leaves. Right, the big leaves go straight into here, like that. You can push it in. And then we've got a pepper here. They're absolutely delicious, so I'm just gonna peel off that kind of chunky side and just tear the peppers into here, like that. If you wanna use a chili, then like half a chili for a little bit of heat, delicious. And then one last bit of flavor, one little kiss of sunshine, sun-dried tomatoes, right? Now look, you can get these everywhere. Search yourself out a little jar. You want 5 or 6 little sun-dried tomatoes there. And what I'm gonna do is just pop that in there. You're gonna get an amazing flavor from that. Really, really good. And then I'm gonna give it a swig of lovely vinegar. Red or white wine vinegar, or sherry if you've got it. Lid goes on, and then you just whiz it up. So easy. So a little bit noisy, but it's gonna be pretty tasty. Giving it a little waz till it's nice and smooth, gives you this texture like this. And then, actually not olive oil, let's use some of this sun-dried tomato oil. Just a little kiss like that, beautiful. So look, that's all you have to do. The pasta is now done. It's quite good to undercook your pasta when you're making it for salads, right? Because you don't want really soft, fluffy pasta. You want it to sort of hold its shape. Back into the pan. And then if you come and have a look at this, whilst the pasta is nice and hot, right? That's the perfect time to flavor it. And this is just full of goodness. Absolute gorgeousness. So in we go with that amazing, uncooked, summery, gorgeous sauce. So all of that goes in, and then just stir it through. Now the nice thing about this is that the residual heat of the pasta has now heated the sauce up, right? So you can serve this hot now, beautiful for spring, summertime, or let it cool down and the flavor will get better and better, and serve it as a cold salad pasta. Delicious. So let me show you how to finish it. So get it into your Tupperware or a nice bowl like this. So just pour the pasta in like that. That pasta will absorb most of that sauce, I'm telling you. I've got some feta cheese, some tuna. So even though it's an Italian pasta, of course, the inspiration did come from that brilliant Spanish soup, gazpacho. So I've got a little feta, beautiful for color, beautiful for seasoning, really fresh. I've got a nice little tin here of tuna, and again, we can take this tuna and we can just flake it over the top. Then what I want to do now is just dress this lovely pasta salad. This already tastes amazing, but I just want to sort of give it a flourish. So I've sliced little quarters of my tomatoes. I'll take a nice little chunk of feta cheese, which again is so fresh and salty and it looks beautiful. So I'll get that ready. I'll take the tuna and just kind of spoon over nice little chunks of it in and around the pasta, like that. Then over the top with some cherry tomatoes, some basil, and we'll take that feta sprinkle it from a height. Maybe a final little kiss of olive oil. Just brilliant. Right, let's have a taste. Let's get a bit of everything. Bit of basil. What I love about that is kind of an old-fashioned flavour. Tuna, tomatoes, pasta. It's so fast, so easy. So guys, get down to Tesco, get the ingredients and have a go. Go on, you're gonna love it.